Welcome to our roundup of the best hiking boots you can rely on for comfort, durability, and all-terrain performance. Whether you're planning long trail adventures, mountain hikes, or simple weekend treks, the right pair of boots can completely change your outdoor experience. In this video, we selected top-rated hiking boots known for their support, waterproof protection, grip, and long-lasting comfort. We'll break down each model's key strengths like cushioning, traction, materials, weight, and stability to help you choose the perfect fit for your hiking style. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal hiking boots for your next adventure. The first on the list is the Tari 4 Mid. The Tari 4 Mid is built for hikers who demand rugged performance without sacrificing comfort. Right out of the box, this boot feels supportive and trail-ready thanks to its waterproof leather upper, aggressive all-terrain outsole, and stability shank for arch support. Designed to handle mud, rocks, and uneven terrain, it provides excellent grip and balance in challenging conditions. The breathable, dry membrane keeps water out while allowing moisture from inside to escape, ensuring your feet stay dry and comfortable during long hikes. Comfort is where the Tari 4 Mid truly stands out. The mid-height design supports the ankle without restricting movement, and the padded collar and tongue prevent rubbing during extended wear. The dual-density midsole absorbs shock from rocky trails, reducing foot fatigue even after hours of hiking. Its roomy toe box is especially helpful for hikers who experience toe pressure on downhill descents, allowing your feet to spread naturally without discomfort. Whether you're climbing steep inclines or navigating loose gravel, the boot remains stable and secure. Durability is another major advantage. The rugged rubber outsole is made to resist wear while maintaining grip across wet and dry surfaces. Reinforced toe protection guards against accidental impacts with rocks and roots. Even after repeated use on rough trails, the materials hold up impressively well, making this boot a long-term investment for serious hikers. Overall, the Tari 4 Mid is a dependable choice for hikers seeking comfort, protection, and traction across varied terrain. Next up is the Merrell Moab 3 Mid. The Merrell Moab 3 Mid is often described as the go-to hiking boot for comfort, and it earns that reputation with its Vibram traction outsole, cushioned EVA midsole, and breathable mesh lining. This boot is designed to feel broken in from the first hike, eliminating the uncomfortable break-in period many boots require. The combination of suede leather and mesh provides durability while allowing airflow, making it ideal for long hikes in warm or moderate weather. On the trail, the Moab 3 Mid delivers impressive stability and grip. The Vibram outsole grips confidently on rocky, muddy, or slippery surfaces, helping you stay balanced on uneven paths. The contoured footbed supports your arches while the air cushion in the heel absorbs shock, reducing strain on your joints during downhill walks. Its mid-height structure adds ankle support without feeling stiff, allowing natural movement while protecting against twists and rolls. This boot also excels in long-distance comfort. The interior padding and moisture-wicking lining keep feet comfortable and dry over hours of hiking. Hikers who prioritize comfort over ultra-lightweight design will appreciate how supportive and stable the Moab 3 feels, even on demanding trails. Overall, the Merrell Moab 3 Mid is a fantastic option for hikers who want immediate comfort, reliable traction, and proven durability. Next, we have the Columbia Newton Ridge Plus 2. The Columbia Newton Ridge Plus 2 is a budget-friendly hiking boot that doesn't compromise on performance. It features a waterproof suede leather build, Tech-Lite lightweight midsole, and OmniGrip non-marking outsole that work together to deliver comfort and traction on a variety of terrains. This boot is ideal for hikers who want dependable waterproof protection without paying premium prices. The Tech-Lite midsole provides lightweight cushioning that absorbs impact and returns energy with every step. This makes long hikes feel less tiring, especially on hard or rocky ground. Meanwhile, the OmniGrip outsole ensures strong traction on wet trails, loose dirt, and gravel paths. The boot feels stable and secure without being overly heavy, making it a great choice for beginners and casual hikers. Overall, this boot is perfect for hikers seeking reliable waterproof performance and solid traction at a great value. Next, we have the Merrell Moab 3 Mid Waterproof. The waterproof version of the Moab 3 Mid takes everything great about the original and adds enhanced protection for wet conditions. It stands out with its M-Select waterproof membrane, Vibram TC Plus outsole, and air-cushioned heel support. This combination ensures your feet remain dry while maintaining excellent traction and comfort across slippery and muddy trails. This boot is designed for hikers who frequently encounter wet environments. Rain, puddles, or damp grass are no longer concerns thanks to the waterproof membrane that blocks moisture while allowing breathability. The Vibram TC Plus outsole provides outstanding grip, especially on wet rocks and slick surfaces, offering confidence where other boots might slip. Its supportive midsole and heel cushioning reduce strain during long treks, keeping your feet energized. Even with its waterproof builds, the Moab 3 Mid Waterproof remains comfortable and flexible. The padded interior, supportive footbed, and mid-cut design protect your ankles while allowing natural movement. It feels sturdy without being stiff, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced hikers. Overall, this boot is an excellent choice for those who hike in unpredictable weather and need dependable waterproof performance with proven comfort. The last one on our list is the Skechers Relmont Pelmo. The Skechers Relmont Pelmo is a surprisingly capable hiking boot that focuses heavily on comfort and affordability. It offers memory foam cushioned insole, water-resistant leather upper, and high-traction rubber outsole that together provide a comfortable and stable hiking experience. Designed for casual hikers and outdoor enthusiasts, this boot delivers reliable performance without a premium price tag. The memory foam insole adapts to the shape of your foot, providing personalized cushioning that reduces pressure during long walks. Its relaxed fit design allows more room in the toe area, making it comfortable for wider feet. The high-traction outsole grips well on dirt, gravel, and uneven paths, offering stability for light to moderate trails. While it may not be built for extreme mountain hikes, the Relmont Pelmo performs very well for everyday hiking, walking trails, and outdoor activities. The padded collar, soft lining, and supportive structure ensure long-lasting comfort. Overall, the Skechers Relmont Pelmo is a great budget-friendly hiking boot for those who prioritize comfort, value, and casual trail performance. So that's it for the best hiking boots you can choose for your outdoor adventures. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected. Before you head out, drop a comment sharing your favorite trails and tell us which boots you trust most on rugged terrain.